So product of vectors. From the product of vectors, most important short answer questions for the board exam. Okay. So here, find the area of the triangle formed with the points A 1 2 3, B 2 3 1, 3, C 3 1 2. Okay. So now what are the given points, and that points I am writing with the position vectors. Okay. So now position vectors of the given points. The given points. Okay. So what are the position vectors? OA. What is OA position vector? Okay. So here the point is A is equal to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is the point here. Okay. So OA is a position vector. That means 1i plus 2j plus 3k. Okay. With respect to ijk we are writing. Okay. B point is 2, 3, 1. 2, 3, 1 is the B point. Then OB, what is OB here? 2i plus 3j plus 1k. And C is equal to 3, 1, 2. Okay, this implies OC is a position vector. Okay, so then it is 3i plus 1j plus 2k. Very good. Okay, so now after finding the position vectors, now I am going to find the AB. How to find AB? AB is nothing but position vector of B minus position vector of A. OB minus OA. What is OB? Okay, so 2i plus 3j plus k minus OA minus I multiplying by minus 2j minus 3k. Okay, 2i minus I, that is I. Okay, 3j minus 2j, that is j.
Minus 1 plus j.
K minus 3k minus 2k. This is AB. And find AC also. AC means OC minus OA. OC minus OA. What is OC? OC is 3i plus j plus 2k minus OA. Okay, so that is minus I minus 2j minus 3k. Okay, so 3i minus I, that is 2i. 2i. J minus 2j minus j. Okay, 2k minus 3k minus k. Okay, so now we got the AB value and AC value. Okay, after finding AB and AC, now find the cross product of AB cross AC. Okay, so now AB cross AC, okay, is equals to modulus of magnitude ijk. Here I am writing the ijk and the coefficients of ijk for AB and AC vectors. What about AB here? Okay, so AB coefficients. Okay, 1 minus 2. Okay, 1 minus 2. Write 1 minus 2. Okay, next second AC vector. We have AC
2
vector.
1 1.
2 minus 1 minus 1. Yes.
Minus 1.
Okay, 2 minus 1 and minus 1. Okay, now we have to expand here. How we are expanding? Expanding along the first row. Okay, so then I into closing the row and column. Closing the row and column. So 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1. Okay. Minus j into close the row and column minus j into
2.
Yes. Okay, minus j into, if we close, then 1 minus 2
minus 2
minus 1.
Minus 1.
Okay, so
plus
next,
k.
Yes, plus k into close the row and column plus
1
k
1
into
2 minus 2.
1 1 2 minus 1.
Minus 1.
Okay, so now this is equals to I into, okay, so we have to multiply, cross multiplication. Okay, so how do we multiply? Okay, so AD minus BC, 1 into minus 1 minus 2 into minus 1, 1 into minus 1 minus 2 into 2. Okay, so 1 into minus 1 minus
1
1
into
into
2.
2. Okay, so like that we multiply here. Okay, so I into 1 into 1, 1 into minus 1 minus 2 into
Minus 2 into minus 1.
minus 1. Okay, so next to minus j into 1 into minus 1 minus
2 into 2.
Okay, plus k into
Plus k into
plus
1
k
into 2.
1 into minus 1 minus 1 into 2.
Mm.
I into minus 1 minus into minus plus into minus 2 ones are 2
Minus 2.
minus j into minus 1 minus into
Minus
minus
1.
plus 2 2s are 4
4.
plus k into minus 1 minus 2. Okay, this is equals to minus 3i minus 3i. The 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 into minus 1 minus 3j. Okay, minus 3 and k minus 3k minus 3k.
3k.
Okay, this is AB cross AC. Now find the magnitude of this. Okay, so how to find the magnitude of AB cross AC? The magnitude is equals to under root of I coefficient. Okay, so minus 3 square, J coefficient
Plus
minus 3 square, K coefficient minus 3 square.
minus
Okay,
3.
so minus 3 whole square is 9 plus 9 plus 9. Okay, so that is 9 plus 9, 18 plus 9 is 27.
27.
Okay, 27 means how can we write the 27? 3 3 is a 9, 3 is a 27. That means we can write it as 3 root 3. So
Yes.
pair of 2. Okay, so we have two numbers here. Okay, pair of okay, two numbers becomes one number. Okay, 3 into 3, 3 square. For that 3 square, so we can cancel the root. Okay, what about the remaining 3? This is as it is. We write it as it is. Okay, this is AB
Yes.
cross AC. Now, what is the formula here? Okay, so area of the triangle. Okay, so now therefore, what is the formula area of the triangle? Formula area of the triangle is equals to delta is equals to 1 by 2 into magnitude of AB cross AC. This is the formula here. Okay, so now substitute the formula and values 1 by 2 into AB cross AC. Magnitude of this is 3 root 3. 3 root 3. Okay,
3.
so that is nothing but we can write it like that, or otherwise 3 by 2 into root 3.
Root
Okay,
3.
so since it is we are finding the square area, square units. Okay?
Units.
This is the required solution. 4 root 10. Okay, 4 we can cancel the 4 and 4. So final answer is plus or minus 3i plus j whole divided by root 10.
Root
Whole
10.
divided by root 10. This is the required solution. Okay.